we will not offer properties today, but on this video, we will discuss why mostly our clients chose to retire here at Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Mabuhay to all of our clients. I am Pa of Lux Properties. And today, as we can see in my background, we are here at Trava in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa. But we will not offer you Trava. I will discuss the whole development here at Metro Santa Rosa and why our clients chose to retire here and build their forever home. So stay on this video as we will discuss the whole development of Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Location really matters, no? Kapag naghahanap tayo ng retirement home or forever home. And dito sa Santa Rosa, no, napaka-accessible dahil we are in the center of everything. Malapit tayo sa major thoroughfares kagaya ng Eton exit, pwede rin tayo mag-Calax, and pwede rin tayo mag-Santa Rosa exit. And isa naman to sa kino-consider natin as a retirement home dahil because of the close proximity in the area din. So aside from the location, kung saan ba malapit yung properties na kukunin natin. So malapit ba to sa hospital, malapit ba to sa groceries, malapit ba to sa schools, or malapit ba to sa commercial and the future development in the area. And aside from the location, no, isa din sa mga kino-consider ng mga clients namin, lalo if galing silang abroad, no, is the open space of the area. And dito naman guys, since we featured a lot of developments in the area, no, in the whole development, whole master plan of each estates, no, alam naman natin na yung development ng isa-isa is may kanya-kanyang strength. But I think, ang naging pare-pareho sa kanila na development is yung nag-i-invest yung isang developer or isang estate sa open spaces, kagaya ng Greenfield, kagaya ng Ayala, kagaya ng South Forbes, and many more. So, even pala sa Verdea or sa Southmont Estate, so nag-offer din ng a lot of open spaces. So, isa to sa nagustuhan ng mga clients namin, no. Although silang na part na yung yung Southmont, no, but it is close proximity or malapit lang din yun sa Santa Rosa area dahil yung pinakadaan nga ng national road natin is Tagaytay Santa Rosa Highway yung tawag eh. So, parang 15 minutes lang din away tayo from Southmont. And nabanggit ko yung mga open spaces dahil gustong-gusto ng mga clients namin to dahil pag umuwi sila sa Pilipinas, hindi nila nafe-feel or hindi sila masyadong naiinitan dahil the developments of the open spaces area is similar to the development abroad daw. Yan ang feedback ng mga clients namin. And I think lalong ganitong oras, no, tanghali, no, hindi super init dito sa area. Tapos ang lalakas din ng hangin dahil nga lalo dito sa Trava, no, na nag-invest si developer ng about 45%. That's only a sample reference lang din, no. So the whole 65% is open for or recommended for the saleable lots na. So yan yung sample natin ng about sa open spaces. And yung development naman sa mga malls kagaya ng Paseo Outlets Mall and nun sa Ayala Malls New Valley, no, naka-open din yung pinaka-layout niya. At idadagdag ko na rin na mag-open na rin yung soon na SM New Valley na I think yung layout din niya is more of parang open spaces. Kasi parang ang design daw nun is parang hinalintulad sa airport ng Singapore. So, hindi pa naman ako sigurado with the design dahil halos labas pa lang din naman yung nakikita natin. But I think similar din yun sa mga development na malls in the area. SM New Valley, it will cater affluent market in the area. So, ang layo na napuntahan natin, no, since location lang naman yung sinabi ko dahil napaka-broad at napaka-importante talaga na inuuna natin yung location. Pero syempre, bago yung pag-check ng mga documents or pag-due diligence ng properties, no, importante din na una naman yung due diligence, then after na tong pag-check ng location. So that's the first reason why our clients from abroad chose to retire here at Metro Santa Rosa. Kapag naririnig natin yung Santa Rosa, ang unang pumapasok sa atin is yung Enchanted Kingdom, New Valley, no? But sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, there are a lot of estates in the area. So estates, ibig sabihin, no, there are a lot of master planned estates. So ibig sabihin, it's a mixed use of residential, commercial, and industrial developments, no? New Valley is an eco-city park po, developed by Ayala Land. So, yung buong estate ng New Valley, napakalaki guys, and katabi lang nito si Greenfield naman. So, kung nasaan po tayo ngayon is also a Greenfield development sa Greenfield City Estate. So, katabi naman ng Greenfield is yung Eton City. It is developed by Eton Properties by Lucio Tan Group, no? So, aside from the three developments na magkakatabi, tawid lang tayo ng konti, no? Pupunta na tayo sa South Forbes Gulf City. So, South Forbes Gulf City is developed by Cathay Land naman. So, broad view of the development is halos magkakatabi lang po yung development. Siyempre, ang New Valley, parang naging tourist spot na yan eh. Naiisip agad natin yung fish feeding dun sa area, kung gaano kalawak. But, napakadami din nating commercial open spaces na pwedeng i-explore in the area, no? Kagaya ng Paseo outlets ng Greenfield City, kagaya ng Westboro strips ng Cathay Land, and kagaya ng Eton City Square ng Eton Properties. So, that's the commercial development in the area. So, imagine investing in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. You got to enjoy a developments na magkakatabi lang in the area. So, this makes our clients, no, from abroad na ma-enjoy nila yung living or ma-enjoy nila yung lifestyle na kagaya na naranasan nila sa ibang bansa dahil magkakalapit lang po yung development. It's just 5 to 15 minutes driving lang po. So nabanggit ko kanina na may iba't ibang estate dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. But each estate has its own master plan. And I think one thing in common na meron sila, ang characteristic nila is the high elevation. Dito sa Santa Rosa, it is high elevated in the area of magkakatabing development, Greenfield, Eton, South Forbes, and yung New Valley by Ayala Land. So imagine if you will build your future forever home here sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, hindi mo na poproblemahin ang flood because of its high elevation. At napakaganda na yung legacy na may pamana natin sa mga anak natin is safe and malayo sa mga kalamidad. I think most development or most estates here at Santa Rosa, Laguna, it is a master plan din, no? But they focus on wellness in the area. So imagine retiring in the area, no, na maraming open spaces at maraming puno. So makakapag-jog ka, ma-enjoy mo yung pag-retire mo, no? Technically, makakapag-walking ka nang wala masyadong pollution in the area. So yung mga nabanggit ko na estates, I think one thing in common is they focuses on wellness and a lot of open spaces which our clients from abroad or yung mga mag-retire from a business owner or executives from Manila na magtatayo or mag-retire dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan nila. So, master plan kasi yung community kagaya ng Greenfield City, no, na there are a lot of open spaces pagpasok mo pa lang nung pinaka-estate. So, imagine, yung mismong polusyon, hindi mo siya maramdaman dahil nararamdaman mo yung pinaka-simoy ng hangin, nararamdaman mo kung gaano kaaliwalas yung area. So, imagine retiring or coming home from that kind of view. Being near in school and universities, no, is very important when looking or investing in a properties. But, if you're planning for a retirement home, I think nagmamatter yung schools and university if we have grandchildren, halimbawa, na nag-aaral close or near in the area. So imagine, they can visit you from time to time in your forever home. And Santa Rosa is very near in that university and schools, no. Pangalanan natin sila, isa-isa, no. Kagaya ng UST Santa Rosa Campus in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hindi pa po sila nag-ooperate, but now, meron na nakatayo na 2 building. And in the future, no, magkakaroon ng access from Greenfield and the bypass road of Eton Properties. So, from the Santa Elena, pwedeng dumaan. And from Eton Properties, pwede po tayo mag-bypass going to UST Santa Rosa Campus. So, sa New Valley area naman, no, meron tayong Miriam College, meron tayong Xavier Schools New Valley, no? And meron tayong AUP, meron din tayo doon, no? And dito sa side ng South Forbes, no, or sa side ng Broadfield, meron din tayong De La Salle, Laguna Campus. At marami pa pong ibang schools, no? But ang sinasabi ko lang, if you will put your forever home, mas maganda or mas okay na you are close to your grandchildren. So I think school will matter pa rin naman, no? Kahit pang-retirement yung maitatayo mo dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So I believe na yung retirement, no, it makes our life may comfort dapat tayo nararamdaman, no? May wellness din tayo, no? Because dahil tumatanda na nga tayo, gusto natin nakakapag-jogging tayo in an open space area. So, hindi tayo nakakalanghap ng any pollution, no? So, I think Santa Rosa is a better option for you. So, aside from that, malapit din tayo sa mga kamag-anak natin, no? Mabibisita nila tayo from time to time and vice versa naman, no? So, yung mga nabanggit kong factors why our clients choose to retire here at Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna is through our experience po, no? So, ito gusto kong i-share sa inyo dahil if you are someone na nagde-decide pa lang or nakalagay sa option yung Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, you can consider it because of these factors. Na parehas lang din naman ng mga clients namin from Metro Manila or mga Filipino working abroad. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And sana kahit papano, no, nakatulong ako sa pagpili nyo or pagdesisyon nyo kung bakit kayo mag-i-invest or mag-retire dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Again, this is Pa of Lux Properties, no? So if you're interested to visit the actual site or the actual development here at Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, don't hesitate to message us through our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That's +639 171248304. And see you on our next video.